Today we are making the viral burn away cake trend. What you're gonna need is one edible image printed on wafer paper. This is gonna be the image that burns away. The wafer paper is what's gonna make it burn just like that. Then you're gonna need a second edible image, a standard one, that is printed on edible icing paper. This is going to be thicker and create the image that'll be a little bit more higher quality on the base. I'm going to use a cake pan, a little bit smaller than my cake, to cut out each of my images. Take your image that's going to be revealed and place it on top of your cake. Add a buttercream border all the way around. Now we are going to add a second border directly on top of our first border. I gave mine a couple minutes in the freezer to set up a little bit, but this is where the magic happens. The second border creates a barrier between our revealed image and the image that is going to be burned, and that's what's going to create this beautiful reveal. This is going in the fridge to chill, and then we'll add our image. Now I'm going to add a buttercream border to hide the seams. Then I added some extra decoration to this cake, and then it's time to burn, baby, burn. Woohoo! Oh, it's so fun. I'll be answering lots of questions in the caption, so make sure to check there. I can't wait to see what you will create with this technique. Thank you for joining me, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye!